Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Totally Relax. I wanted to make a video today to let y'all know that on the video yesterday when I mentioned that the solar panels I got didn't have a kickstand, well guess what, it always helps to read what the instructions say, because it does. I mean, I was really surprised. I got to looking online, I couldn't figure out why it didn't come with any. So, but here they are. This is the case that it zips into. And I'm going to try to do this as well as I can. But anyway, where it clips on is, you just lay the container flat, and then you lay the panels crossways on it. They got these little clips right here. They clip on at the top on both sides. And then you just pull the panels out and position them however you want them. So, yeah, that works a lot better, and I just thought I'd share that with y'all. I'm still waiting for my generator to come in. I waited all day yesterday till 8 o'clock last night, and never showed up like it was supposed to. And so today I get a notice that it was delayed yesterday, and I'm thinking, really? And it's supposed to be here today, so we shall see. But anyway, hope y'all are having a great day. It's kind of cool and windy out here today, and I hope the airplanes and the wind ain't messing up my recording, but at any rate, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now. Always something going on around my neighborhood on this street. This street in front of my house is like Indianapolis Speedway. And I'm here to tell you, they got about 15 cops and fire trucks and everything down there at the traffic light. I don't know what's going on. Hope everybody's okay. See ya.